Hello everyone, I'm Navid. I'm going to show you a couple of few exercises with TRX. TRX has a great benefit for our body and training because you use contraction on both way up and down. Like you push up, you do eccentric and concentric phase of training, and that's where you're going to use with TRX as well. So you make sure it's well equal both sides, and then walk forward and then drop your body until you are going to kind of slightly horizontal, and then widen your hand and lift up while you twist. So as you can see, on both sides of pulling up and coming down, you need to control the motion, otherwise you will drop. That's the benefit of TRX. So you do twists of 10, 15, do not overdo it. Okay, now you can do from the other side. Yeah, you can pose and then the next one, you go for push-up position, and then grab the TRX, move backward, drop your body, make sure it's all straight, not like this or not drop like that. The body has to be aligned. Again, equal loading, and go down, breathe up, and repeat. Twists of 15 is a very good exercise for the entire neck shoulder region. The next one, you kick it up and then do this motion, which is going to work on your lat and other muscle around the scapula. Twists of 10. The next one, which is very good, you can do retraction of scapula. So basically you drop your scapula forward and back. You don't bend your elbow at all. Just there are dozens of muscles who are stabilizing scapula, and also you improve the mobility of scapula. Or you can do just triceps. Okay, basically with TRX you can train all body parts including legs and core, etc. But make sure you don't overdo it, and if you have any injuries around your neck shoulder, please do consult your physiotherapist, or if you need our assistance you can reach out to us at roseclinicphysio.co.uk. We'll be more than happy to assist you. All the best.